Hey guys, so for today we're going to show you how to use Evernote from the very beginning of creating an account to actually using this very useful tool. So if you aren't familiar, Evernote is a long-time scheduler, task manager, and useful tool for organizing your notes, tasks, and schedule all in one place. It's great whether you want to be an individual player or you're working with a team in order to collaborate on multiple projects or even just fixing your schedules together. As you can see, it even has lots of compatibility with Google and other scheduling applications in order to make our life way easier. So for today, I'm going to show you a walkthrough of how to get started using Evernote for your life. So first things first, make sure that you have an Evernote account, and you can easily make one for free. But if you want more features from Evernote, you're going to have to pay a monthly or yearly subscription in order to access all the features from this amazing website. But for today, let's focus on making a free account. Now, once you're done making your account, you'll see that you'll be redirected to the Evernote dashboard. From this dashboard, you'll be able to see all the notes, tasks assigned to you, or ones you've made yourself. This will be basically your homepage and hub to do anything with Evernote. I suggest you familiarize yourself first with all the different features from this dashboard, like the different menus on the left-hand side where you can see all the notes and tasks available to you and all the different things shared to you by different other Evernote users. So let's make our first note. On the upper left-hand corner, click on the large green button that says New. From there, on the drop-down list, select Note, and that'll create a new template note for us to begin with. As you can see, it's completely empty at the moment, but you can add anything you want, whether it's a title or just start typing down random notes for yourself. For now, I want to make a note where I can just put some random daily scribbles. So let's title this one Daily Note. Then on the text bar, you can honestly put down anything, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just gonna put sample text for now. But you can really put and type down anything you want. Now, Evernote offers a very robust text editing system. On the upper left corner, you can click on the blue plus button to see a drop-down list of all the different things you can insert into this note. You can add anything from different tasks you've made to calendar events, links, tables, even images, and links from your Google Drive, etc. And if you want to convert your note into a checklist, click on the icon next to the Insert button and you'll turn the entire text box underneath your header into a checklist that you can edit to anything you want. For example, I can make a checklist for the daily activities and chores that I need to accomplish for the day, including exercising, cleaning the house, washing the dishes, etc. Evernote can also be really useful in organizing the note that you've just made. For example, I can go back to the insert list and create a divider in order to divide the checklist from the rest of the description chat box. Here, let's insert a table underneath our daily checklist for the daily note. As you can see, it's really easy to resize the table that we've made and edit the position to our liking. So for example, I want to use this table to make sure that I can assign the household chores to the other members of my household. So I can type clean, sweep, and wash for this table in order to see who I'm going to be assigning for these household chores. Remember, using Evernote, you can share this note with anyone you wish in order to collaborate on certain tasks. So let's keep the organization going and let's insert another divider underneath this table in order to just keep things very neat and orderly. So make sure to click on the space underneath the table and go ahead and insert another divider. Then for this part, as you can see, you can even type down anything and edit the font and color background for said font. And don't forget, You can also add any image you want using Evernote's very intuitive insert feature. For now, I'm going to add an image of Muichiro from Demon Slayer, since I need to make sure to show how serious I am about completing all these daily tasks, especially for other members of my household. As you can see, it's really easy to add images wherever you want in your Evernote note, and even edit the text as much as you want, including its color, location, font size, font background, whatever. Evernote has really come a long way in creating a really intuitive and easy to use note editor for us. So far though, I've only really showed you all the features that you can get with a free Evernote account. But as you can see, even the tools that are available to you with a free Evernote account are very robust. From making a checklist, adding a table, and even personalizing your note, there are a ton of different features already available to you with a free Evernote account. If you want to take things a little bit further though, as you can see, there are a ton of features that are locked behind the monthly or yearly subscription plan to Evernote. For example, you can even add calendars to your different notes. This way, by using the calendar application in Evernote, you can collaborate with other people and yourself to bring your notes, schedules, and tasks that you've made together. If you're interested in trying these features out, Evernote does offer a free 14-day trial period in case you want to just try out these features before you bite the bullet and subscribe to their plan. So for now, let's head back to the note that we were working on, and I'm going to show you how you can share this note that you've made to anyone else. What's a nice feature is that there's no need to manually save your Evernote notes, since as long as you're using the editor on a stable internet connection, Evernote will automatically save any changes you've made to your notes or calendars. So on the upper right corner, you can click on the share icon, and that way you can get a link that you can send to anyone, and anyone with the link can access the note that you've created. You can even manually add someone's name or email address in order to invite them to add and collaborate to the note. Now, once you're done with all of that, go back to your main Evernote dashboard, and let's try creating a new task. So click on the upper left corner and click on New again, and then click on Task this time. Tasks are really useful in Evernote because you can even set them to give you an alarm or email message that you have to complete the task. Sadly, tasks are again a feature that aren't available in the free version of Evernote, so you're going to have to pay a monthly or yearly subscription to access that feature. A feature that's available in the free plan though are notebooks. Think of notebooks as ways to organize all your notes together. That way, you never lose track of whatever note you need to be working on, and it's easy to find notes once you've made hundreds of them. And as you can see, you are now a certified basic Evernote user. We've reached the end of this video, and thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial content. If you have any other questions or inquiries, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.